In this course, we're going to take a deep dive into probability as well as all the four Greeks. I'm going to show you exactly how you should be looking at probability. And we'll also see that on the Think or Swim platform, we have a couple of extra fields that we've not looked at so far, which actually help us a little bit more in terms of understanding probability. We look at the fields called probability of expiring and probability of touching. And we'll also see how these correlate with delta. Then we have another tool on Think or Swim that's called the probability curve. And we'll also take a look at this curve and see if that provides us any further insight. Probability becomes much more important when you're selling options. And so we'll be looking at selling options and its relation to probability. And this is where you need to be careful, because when you're selling options, as you know, you're exposed to higher risks. Therefore, your understanding of probability becomes very important. But probability also has a role to play when you're buying options, and I'll show you that as well. Then in the second part of the course, we'll take a deep dive into all four Greeks. So far, we've covered the basic aspects of all four Greeks. So you should have a good understanding of how these Greeks work. But now I'm going to show you some subtleties of all four Greeks and how we should be looking at the Greeks, and it will have an impact on your choice of the expiry series that you choose, and also provide certain buyer-seller perspectives when it comes to the Greeks. So let's jump right in. I want to go over to the Think or Swim platform and let's tackle probability in the first part of this course. So far, we've always used delta as an approximate measure of probability of that option going into the money.